Hello, tech fans! Welcome back to Xplorer, where we bring you the latest on mobile technology. Today, we're exploring the Motorola Edge 50 Neo, a device packed with cutting-edge features, from a high-res camera to an incredibly smooth display. Let's dive into the design, performance, cameras, battery life, and everything that makes this phone a great choice in the mid-range segment. First, let's talk design. Motorola sticks to a clean and premium feel with the Edge 50 Neo. This phone boasts a 6.4-inch POLED display with a high resolution of 1220x2670 pixels. But the real highlight? Its 120Hz refresh rate. This is ideal for fluid scrolling and a smooth experience whether you're gaming, browsing, or just swiping through apps. The POLED display technology delivers vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and excellent contrast, giving it a premium touch. The peak brightness of 3000 nits is particularly impressive, making it clear and visible even under direct sunlight. Plus, the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection offers some extra durability, so it's ready to take on daily wear and tear. Under the hood, Motorola has opted for the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, a powerful octa-core chip with a clock speed of 2.5 GHz. This, combined with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensures that the Edge 50 Neo can handle multitasking, streaming, and gaming with ease. This setup is ideal for anyone looking to enjoy moderate to high-intensity gaming, with games like PUBG and Call of Duty running smoothly. The Mali G615 GPU also enhances graphic performance, making sure visuals stay clear and smooth without any major frame drops. Now, let's focus on the camera system, which Motorola has clearly put a lot of thought into. The Edge 50 Neo features a 50MP primary camera with a Sony LTPO 700C sensor. This sensor is designed for accuracy and clarity, capturing vibrant photos with a lot of detail in well-lit conditions. This camera setup also includes a 13MP ultra-wide lens that's perfect for those scenic landscape shots and group photos, along with a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The telephoto lens also comes with optical image stabilization, so zoomed-in shots come out sharper and clearer, even with minor hand movements. For selfies, the 32MP front camera with quad-pixel technology promises high-res, detailed selfies in most lighting conditions, giving social media lovers the quality they are after. Powering the Motorola Edge 50 Neo is a 4310 mAh battery, which Motorola claims can provide up to 34 hours of usage on a single charge. With typical usage, it can easily last a full day. And when you need a quick boost, the 68W Turbo Power fast charging feature will come in handy. Plus, it supports 15W wireless charging, a rare feature in this price range. The fast charging can get you from 0 to a good percentage in just minutes, so you won't be left waiting around. Motorola has equipped the Edge 50 Neo with Android 14 out of the box, complemented by Motorola's custom MyUX interface. This near-stock Android experience means minimal bloatware, smooth navigation, and the usual suite of Motorola's own useful features, like gesture controls and customizable themes. Motorola has also promised 5 years of software updates, which means this device is well prepared for long-term use. In terms of connectivity, the Edge 50 Neo includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast internet speeds and reliable connections. It's also rated IP68, meaning it's dust and water resistant, so you can carry it anywhere with confidence. For security, The phone offers an in-display fingerprint sensor along with face unlock, adding both convenience and protection to your data. To wrap it up, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo is an impressive mid-range smartphone that delivers high-quality performance, great visuals, and a reliable camera system. Its design, display, and powerful performance make it a top contender in its category, especially for users who appreciate a clean and functional Android experience. With an expected price of around $450 or roughly 35,000 Indian rupees, the Edge 50 Neo is a strong option for anyone looking for a device that offers high-end features without the premium price tag. If you're excited about this device or have any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for the latest updates on new tech.